Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in US online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in usbank.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of US Bank. At top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find the option for login. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. If you do not have the online banking account yet, you can simply click on this option, enroll in online banking. After that you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into corporate and commercial banking, simply click on this option, corporate and commercial banking login. Here I'm just going to log into my personal account. If you want to do that, first of all enter your username. Click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Now similarly enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can simply click on this option, forget username or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now after entering the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in US online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.